Maybe. I mean, I think it's obvious. Everybody thinks that like I'm making fake videos and stuff, so I just put I put my manual redeems at the start. That's the weird thing about this world is if you give value to this world, everybody's going to be like, "Oh, you're just a liar or you're just a LARP, yada yada." So I'll just put my manual redeems at the start of the video, and if you want to watch the rest, nothing's guaranteed around here, dude. This game is hard. It's literal PvP, me versus you. Moondav versus you. You versus Moondav. Nobody's gonna just give you a fish to feed your whole family for the rest of your life. Maybe if you're lucky, you'll come across a guy that will teach you how to fish. Maybe, 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 maybe. But it's a cold world out there. All right, so let's show you how to go ahead and get the Alchemy set up because that's what I use. You can use any RPC. Let's go here and let's say, so at RPC, it's kind of intimidating if you're just a non-coder, vibe coder, you just getting into coding. RPC for MATIC, it's intimidating for sure, but it's not hard. It's just a link. It's like a website link that has your personal API key on it. So Polygon, I use Alchemy. You could use any, but I suppose I could just use the Polygon RPC. How about that? Fastest, free, and most reliable. Okay, let's try that. Let's try to use the free one. You can sign up for a paid one. Let's go ahead and ask our AI here to set up my RPC. Because what happened, you saw it not run for me. I'm just out of credits. They give you a bunch of credits, but I think I had one tweaking for a while that ran out all my credits. So let's go to redeem.py and can you switch that to PolyMarket's free RPC for now? Thank you. Because I ran out of credits on my Alchemy. So in your .env, you'll go ahead and put your Alchemy RPC, okay? It's not too hard. You go in here, you sign up for a free account. I guess you could use Anchor as well. I think these are commodities. It's kind of like virtual private servers. It's all the same. Maybe some are a little bit faster. But I use Alchemy, so it's free, but you can see that I'm running into a problem here. If I didn't run it so much, I have so many bots running, then I'd be fine. But once you scale, you're gonna have to pay for it. I haven't paid for it. So now I'm switching it over to a free version here and let's see if we can cook. Because I just showed you all the code from the redeem. I scrolled through it and I'll put it on the roadmap here. So by the time if you're watching this replay, then you'll be able to see it. Failed to connect to RPC. That's too bad, dude. That's too bad. Showed you all that code and it doesn't even work. Can you go ahead and get me some working code here? It keeps failing to connect, which is weird. I thought it was because I ran out of tokens or whatever API calls on my Alchemy, but maybe that's not it. Quite sure it is, but let's go ahead and check out the other ones. So I've got a batch as well. I don't assume this is going to work, but it will do it in a batch because what's going to happen here is you're going to end up, yeah, you can see failed to connect. You're going to end up using a lot. It just depends on your scale. You know, if you've got 7 different accounts and you're winning a lot or yeah, you're having to redeem a lot, that's going to cost a little bit of MATIC. It's going to cost a little bit of MATIC. But you saw all the code and let me just go ahead and give you this batch one as well. I'll put both of them in the roadmap. Don't worry. Let's go ahead and run it back.